Hey guys, so I've created you a full transfer guide on how to transfer XRP from your Trust wallet to PayPal. Now I want you to understand one thing. First, you can't do this directly. We'll have a workaround because PayPal does not support crypto wallet to wallet transfers for XRP. But I'll show you how to do this. So we need to first swap XRP for supported crypto. For example, Bitcoin or Ethereum. So you just open the Trust Wallet app, tap on XRP and choose swap, okay? You'll see the swap option, and then I want you to swap XRP to, for example, Bitcoin or Ethereum. Now, these are supported on PayPal, okay? And then what you do is open the PayPal app, go to Finances, and then tap Receive under Crypto, and you can choose Bitcoin or Ethereum or whatever, currency you had chosen. Then just copy your PayPal crypto wallet address. Now you go back to the Trust wallet, tap on Send, and then now you paste in this PayPal wallet address, enter the amount, and just confirm the transaction, and your crypto should arrive in PayPal. And then you can go ahead and sell it or just keep it in your PayPal balance. Really that easy and simple. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to find your solution.